Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing our 52-week challenge video and it should be the 5th week for me. And I did not do last week's because I was on a weird shift and everything, and then I was going to double up this week, and then now something came up. So I went to the dentist and I had a filling. I was supposed to only get 2 fillings. Well, and that was supposed to be like maybe $49. Well, they not tell me, and they went ahead and just did 4 of them because they were on the same side. So they just went ahead and did the 4 fillings, which was an extra $50. So I don't know if there was a miscommunication or what, so I had to pay an extra $50. So I had to go into my cushion fund. I pulled some stuff from my gas fund and everything. It's just crazy. But I was determined to do this 50-week challenge because I did not do it last week. So I did not have any cash on me. I did not go to the bank. I did not withdraw it for me. So we are going to use the cash envelope. This is my cash envelope that I use all the time. Now, if I'm talking weird, it's because half of my face is still numb. So it's half of my face is numb and it's droopy and I can't really smile. I have a crooked smile. So if I'm talking weird, I'm sorry. Just bear with me. I just wanted to film this video for you guys. But anyway, so we're going to be using our cash envelopes, and then how I'm going to determine how much I'm going to spend or how much I'm going to put into savings is however many dollar bills I have in there. Dollar bills, not $5 or $10. How many dollar bills I have in this cash envelope is how much I am going to put in. Now, before we find out how much that is, make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know if you're doing the 52-week challenge, and let me know how you are doing. So I think I'm doing pretty well. I mean, I'm doing the smaller bills, but taxes is about to come in, so we are going to be bumping it up, trying to knock out these bigger ones. So let's look through our cash envelope. So groceries. Let's see. I have a couple of ones. I have a $10 bill that I'm going to save just in case. 1, 2, and 3. Gas is what I had to use for the dentist. I don't even want to talk about that. And then fund money, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. All right, so let's see how much we are going to put in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we are going to do $7. So we're going to find 7. And the way I do it is that I just pick whatever number I want to put in this week, and then I just color in, so it makes it easier for me. And while I'm coloring this in, let me know if you are a new subscriber, because I get notifications all the time that I have new subscribers, but it doesn't show it on my recent subscribers list and everything. So let me know if you are a new subscriber. Let me know how you found me and everything. And then also let me know if you have a channel, because I will definitely go and check you out. I love supporting everybody. So let me know that also. And we are not doing a Transfer Tuesday this week is because we had to do the dentist bill, which, you guys, I don't understand, but it's fine. It's fine. I still got to get some more fillings in. And the next one's on the 19th, so I have to save up money for that. All right. So there you have it, folks. That is everything. So we are going to add it to our snowflake box. And I have not touched this. I'm very proud. I usually touch it, but I did not. Okay. We're going to count how much we have. 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So we have $39. Which that is super exciting. I feel like this is going to be my year, you guys. My year that I am going to complete this challenge. It might be a struggle. It's always a struggle in January. But I am going to win. I will overcome this, you guys. So anyways, that is it, you guys. So we put $7 in our 5th 52-week challenge. So let me know down below. I know I'm a week late, but I am going as soon as I get paid. I get paid this week, so as soon as I get paid, I will double up. But yeah, so I hope you liked this video. Let me know down below if you are enjoying it, and let me know if you're a new subscriber. Welcome. And if you are an old subscriber, thank you for your endless support on my channel. And I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.